Hello students, welcome back to Madhvi's Java programming tutorials. In this video, I'll discuss some of the static methods of string class. The contents are string class methods which are static in nature, value of method of string class which converts primitive types to strings, character arrays to strings, and objects to strings. Let us see the contents. String class has several static methods such as format, join, value of, etc. We already know the static methods are invoked directly from the class, not from the object. So these methods also we invoke or call from the class, that is string.valueOf, string.join. Now the programmers may need to convert strings to primitive types and primitive types to strings. In order to do that, there is a method called valueOf defined in string class. The valueOf method is declared in several built-in classes, such as string class and wrapper classes. Wrapper classes I'll discuss from next video onwards. Now, the valueOf method defined in string class converts primitive types to strings. We know primitive types. What are they? Byte, short, int, long, float, double, boolean, etc. So, string class valueOf method converts primitive types to strings, whereas the valueOf method defined in wrapper classes convert strings to primitive types. So string class, primitive types to strings, wrapper classes, strings to primitive types. In this video, we will see the valueOf method which is declared in string class. Now, static string valueOf parameter. This is the method. What does it do? It is a static method, first of all. It returns a string. ValueOf is the method name. It takes a parameter. What is the parameter? Let's see. Now, this is static method, so we call string.valueOf. This valueOf method is declared and defined in string class, which is a static method. That's why we call string.valueOf and we send a parameter. Now, it converts the parameter to a string and returns the string back. The parameter may be any primitive data type, which is converted into string and returned, or object, which is again converted to string and returned, or a character array. So several types, primitive types means 8 types are there. 7 types are converted to string. So valueOf method of string class is an overloaded method. Different forms are there, polymorphism. Same method name, but several methods. Let us see the valueOf method of string class. So valueOf byte, if we send as a parameter, that byte value is converted to string, or short we can send, or int, or long, maybe float, maybe double, and boolean. Apart from that, we can send a character array also. The character array will be converted to string. All of them are converted to string. And then valueOf object. Also, we will understand in this particular video, but in the next video, it becomes very clear. Now, some of the methods we use in a Java program for our better and clear understanding. Let us see the valueOf method converts primitive types, objects, or character arrays into strings. Uses is string.valueOf. So primitive types, character types, and character array and objects. Let's write code. Some byte A is equal to 5. Byte A is equal to 5. We want to convert this byte data type into string. So let's write string B equals to string.value of is the method, and we send A as a parameter. Now when we see control K, there are no errors. That means A, which is of byte type, is converted by the value of method into string, and we are storing in B. So we can print B. Control K, and let's execute and see. Byte type as string is 5. Let's assume it is float type. Any primitive type we can send. 5.5f, float is always suffixed with f, float. Now float A is equal to 5.5f, and string dot value of A, control K, this is converted into string. F is not there when we execute. It is converted into string. Okay. That is float type as string is 5.5. We need to just change the message over here. What if it is integer type? Int A is equal to some 50, and string B is equal to string dot value of A. Instead of writing or storing, we can call directly string dot value of. Control C. Here, because it is anyway returning, this string dot value of converts into string whatever we send as a parameter. This is integer, so integer type message I'm just changing. This way also we can call. Control K. Now execute and see. Here it says integer type as string is 50. So any data type we can send, maybe Boolean also. Let's say Boolean some B equals to, we say true, let's assume. This is true or false keyword, but we want to convert into string. So let's copy this and write control V. This is Boolean type. String dot value of, what is the variable here? B. So true keyword, that is blue in color, is converted into string. Execute. True. So any primitive data type is converted into string using string dot value of. Now let's see convert character array. Char ch is an array is equivalent to, I'm just initializing A and then B, then C. Initialized. Character array is initialized. Okay, this can be converted in two ways. First way is creating an object. String some x is equal to new string ch, which we have understood. Control K, no errors. The similar way we can use string dot value of also. Let's copy this. Control C. This is a character array string.valueOf. We can directly say ch also here, or we have converted into an object, that also we can print. So string.value of the array ch is converted and displayed, or we can create a string object also. Let's execute and see A, B, C together now. It is a string. So integer type 50, boolean type true, character array is A, B, C. But it is displayed or stored as a string. Now last but not least, converting objects. Integer is a wrapper class. A1 equals to new integer. We know that new, creating an object. From what? From the primitive type. Wrapper class of int data type. We'll discuss this elaborately in the next lesson. But A is a primitive data type, that is int data type, is converted into an object, new integer. What is the name of the object? A1. Now we want to print that object as a string. String.value of A1 now. This is what? Object. Object is converted into string. Integer is a class, wrapper class. A1 is an object, is equal to new integer, which converts primitive type int to an object. So we are printing the object as a string. So Control K and then execute the program. See, object type as string is 50, integer is 50, boolean, and so on and so forth. This is the usage of value of method. Refer chapter 8 of Essentials of Computer Applications for further understanding and practice exercises. And then the next video is about wrapper classes. Thank you.